Hi, welcome to this feature-length film about a box I painted. It's took me about 3 months to get my shit together to make this video, but here it is, finally. I'd like to apologise firstly because the lighting in this is worse than I thought it was when I was filming it, to be honest, because I was somewhere between broad daylight and having no blinds, and then working only in the dead of night, so there is no comfortable in between really, much like the rest of my life where I'd been working my supposedly part-time job full-time, and now I have no job. So what is this life? I don't know, but at least it gives me more time to make some more art, maybe some more videos. Oh, this is a nice bit coming up actually. A little peel. Ooh yeah. And another one. And I do believe there's another one. That's the best bit of the video over now. You might as well click off if you haven't already. See ya. Bye. But yeah, I'll tell you a bit about the box. Indulge you a little. It's just a basic little wooden box from the works or somewhere like that, just a little craft box, nothing special really, and I painted it with acrylic paint. Oh, what is wrong with my hand? It looks like a ball bag. That's gross. I'm sorry, I'll wear gloves next time. Very distracting. What was I saying before I was rudely interrupted by my own hands? I don't know. Clearly I'm a struggling artist in more ways than one. So on that note, please buy my art. I need gloves. But in all seriousness, I have got some of my artwork up for sale in my Etsy shop, which I will leave the link to in the description box below. And I'd like to start adding on some more original pieces and bits like this in the future too. So maybe check it out if you're interested. Aside from that, I don't really have a huge amount more to say about the box specifically. I did use a dark brown watercolour paint just to lightly stain the wood towards the end, you'll see, just because the contrast between the natural colour of the wood and the design seemed a little bit too much. And then I coated it in a clear varnish just to stop any paint from chipping off. Other than that, thanks for putting up with my nonsense. I hope you enjoyed the video. And hopefully this time it won't take me another 3 months to make another one. See ya.
Bye! Here is the finished product.